In this video, we're going to use Google Classroom to upload a PDF assignment for students to open with DocHub, edit the PDF, and then attach their document to Classroom for the teacher to grade with DocHub. So in this case, I already have my PDF loaded, but in case you don't know how to do that, you click on the plus symbol, you create an assignment, you give the assignment a title, some kind of instructions, and then you choose where your document is stored. Mine is on Google Drive. If it was on USB or my desktop, I would choose the paperclip. But since I'm storing my assignment on my drive, I go there, I find the assignment, I click on it, and it adds the assignment. And then it shows me a preview of the assignment, and if I click on it, it would show me what the assignment looks like in Drive. And we'll get to that part in just a little bit when we go to the grading. Then I would choose to make a copy for each student, and that's important so that they can open it in DocHub when they click on the assignment. And then I would choose which classes the assignment needs to be assigned to, and you can select multiple classes. Then I would click on the Assign button, and when it uploaded, it would look like this. Now that's the teacher side. Now I'm going to switch to a series of screenshots from the student side. So when they would go into their Google Classroom, looks very similar to yours, they would click Open on the assignment. And when they click that, they also see a preview of the assignment, and they click on the name of the assignment again, and it opens it up the same way it opened it up for the teacher, with a black background, and at the top it gives them the option of downloading with the arrow. They could rename it or store it somewhere else with the three little dots right here. But what we want to use is Open With, and we want to click on that, and when we do, it gives us a drop down menu that gives us the option of using DocHub to edit the document, and that's what we would select, and it would open the document in DocHub, and it would give us the options of editing it over to the side and the top. So if I select the text box option, I could go down, click anywhere, and it would give me the option to start texting in or start typing in the text box, and I can shrink or enlarge that box horizontally or vertically or even diagonally. I can change my font, I can make it bold, I can change the color of the font, I can write on the document, actually physically writing with the mouse. I can make comments on the document. The eraser is actually like a whiteout. So for instance, in the title of this document, this was a blank standard cause and effect chart, and I put the title in there using the whiteout and then typing over that. The box here allows you to select answers with a check mark, X, different symbols in the drop down menu. When the student is done typing on the document, then they go over to the right hand corner where the three little boxes are, and at the drop down menu they select Export to Google Drive. And when they do that, it stores it in their Google Drive. They then go back to Classroom, and underneath where your document was originally stored, they click on the Add a Document option. And when they do that, it gives them a drop down menu, and they choose Google Drive because that's where their DocHub stored their edited PDF. And when they do, they can either select the folder where they stored the document, or they can just start typing the name of the document and click on the document they want to choose, and then click Add. And when they do, it adds their document onto that assignment. And when they select Turn In, it asks them to confirm that they want to do that. Then from your end, you will actually, let me go back to my classroom here, you will actually click on the done side of the column for the assignment, and when you do that, you will see the names of your student over to the side that have turned that in or not turned it in, and you can grade it even if they haven't turned it in. And you will see all the documents that have been turned in. In this case, I only had one student turn in a document, but I would click on that student's name, and then it would open up and look like this, only it would have the student's name on it. If I then want to edit that document to grade it, I would open with DocHub the same way the students did. And I could start grading the assignment. So maybe I just want to choose things that are right. And so I might select the check mark. I might want to make it a red color, and maybe I'd put a check mark by everything that was right. If I wanted to make a comment on something, I could select the comment tool and I could write a few words, and it appears as a sticky right beside where I want them to see that comment, and I can move that around. And so I would do that. Then I would hit export to drive to save that document in my drive. And when I hit view in my drive, I can see the changes that were made. If I want to turn this assignment back to a student, I could then share that assignment with the student. Right now, DocHub has a limit of emails that you can email a student directly from DocHub. That's why I had to save it to my drive. But you could then share it with the student so that they could see the corrections that you made. So that's how you edit a document using DocHub, and how you share it on Classroom, and how students then share it back to you.